And welcome back, rail fans. We're walking into the old Lincoln Park model train rail show. And it's raining out here. You can't see it, but I got rain all over the camera. So without further ado, we're going to get inside and we're going to go in there and check it out, see what deals we got today. Let's go. There's a big old HO. Got a little sawmill action going on. We got trains running all over. Great layout, great layout.
$2,000 buy the stupid set because they would do that.
Beautiful crane cars there. All right, this is part of the collection with
Henry Doe's.
Henry Doe's. How you doing, Henry?
Good, fine.
We got that light behind the window there. It's kind of making you dark, but now tell me, what can you tell me about these American Flyers?
Well, most of these are I got off of eBay, and usually they're from estate sales. You know, people find stuff in the attics and things. So I buy them and I repair them, and get them running, and I've got over 40 engines.
Over 40?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
I'm not a collector.
That don't sound like it at all.
No. I'm an accumulator.
Oh, an accumulator. My wife will love that one. I have a bad habit of accumulating. Nice. And these are all
they're all
post-war?
S-gauge American Flyer, yeah.
S-gauge American Flyer.
Yeah, these are made in the 50s.
Nice. Very nice. You sell online?
No, I haven't sold anything online. I just sell them at the shows, you know.
Sell them at the shows.
Things,
All right.
Things are a little slow with American Flyer. It's pretty in this area. It's hard to sell American Flyer. It really is.
Now, is American Flyer primarily S-gauge?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Very cool.
Originally made in New Haven, Connecticut.
It's American made. If you guys are interested, come on down to the Lincoln Park Train Show. Get your American Flyer. Awesome. Fantastic. Thank you, Henry.
Thank you very much.
Lots of good stuff.
There you go.
Cars, models, collection of Hot Wheels. You got a little bit of everything. Lots of HO. Yeah, I agree with you there. Detroit has seen some better days, but it's on the comeback.
Oh, listen, it's 100% better than it was. I had a cop pull me over for nothing, you know, give me a ticket in Detroit. This is about 30 years ago.
Yeah.
I said, what do you bother me? I didn't do nothing wrong. He said, yeah, but I won't go downtown and give those guys a ticket. They'll pull a gun or a knife on me and kill me. I said, well, that's a good, that's a good answer.
That's funny.
A lot of this stuff is old. That Spirit of 76, that thing's 50 years old.
Is it 50 years old?
Yeah. This is. I'm surprised nobody bought that one. It's really nice.
It is. These are nice looking engines.
It's got a double motor in it, so cool anything.
The patriotic stuff is making a comeback.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
that one's pretty old. That was the first one's out. So
is it
that's
really?
Gotta be over 50 years old. 50.
They're becoming popular again. It's nice to see. There's a lot of guys reproducing the red, white, and blue theme.
Well, they got the new ones out now. They got dual motors in.
Yeah.
And they're nicer.
But yeah, but this is nice for the price. You know.
Oh yeah.
Those new ones, you know, they're like $600.
Oh. Tell me about it. Hey, and I looked at the catalog this year. And the new Lionel catalog.
Yeah.
We were in a boxcar, $80.
Oh yeah.
120.
Oh yeah. Lionel, you start buying new Lionel, that's like top shelf. You're paying a premium
No, this stuff
You're
is
paying a premium to have that L on the box.
yeah. This is 50 years old.
Is
It's
it really?
cheaper, a lot cheaper.
I love it. Nice, nice. What was your name?
Richard.
Richard.
Yeah,
Mr. Steve. Nice to meet
I
you.
belong to the train club here. Lincoln Park Train Club.
Oh, Lincoln Park Train Club.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Did you go upstairs and get the?
I did. I got a lot of footage on there.
I belong to that.
Okay. It's going to be in the video. I think.
Well, let me run up there so you take my picture.
I met the president Bob around here
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah. He's bouncing around. He's running the whole show, so he's busy.
Okay. He was over at the Taylortown train show.
Yeah, selling. Yeah.
Yep.
They did a lot better than we did. I'll tell you that.
Fantastic. I'm gonna get moseying along here. Good talking with
I
you.
like your outfit.
Mr. Steve's Trains.
Yeah.
Find me on YouTube.
Yeah, it's not 8. I was telling Al, I said, I'm telling him, I mean, his works house at 9:45. It didn't start at 10:30. Dave's
classic.
Whoop, made a mistake. It's 9:45. Yeah, that's right. I'm not going to go an hour and a half early. 9:45, it starts at 10:30. Only 20 minutes away.
Quick question. I'm not unfamiliar. Are these like
Guard
guard
graves?
graves?
Yes.
They are guard graves. Okay.
Yeah, the 072 gauge.
Oh,
switches.
that's perfect. That's perfect.
This is like not even 1% of what I have for sale.
Really, not even 1%.
Not even 1%.
Are you on online at all?
I'm going online, but not. I'm going to go on the probably the Lionel train website. So I'm not eBay or nothing like that.
Okay.
I've sold a lot more that way.
Guard graves track?
Yes, Gargraves track, very good.
Now, is this compatible with Atlas? If I started running Atlas track, is this one made up with it?
Yep.
Well, that's a pretty good deal.
Well, like I said, I'm 90% sure it does.
Quick question. It's kind of an oddball thing.
Yeah.
Are these steel rails? 'Cause I've got I wonder how they would stand up in a semi kind of humid environment. You know?
You don't want to have any train track in a humid environment. I don't care what it is,
Yeah.
especially your engines.
I mean, I know guys down.
Put a
in-
humidifier in.
Oh yeah, I do. I run it. I
Yeah.
run a dehumidifier
35% or so max.
max.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's about 50% humidity.
Yeah, it's basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's getting there. What'll happen is it'll mess up not only the rails.
Circuit boards.
And the thing, yeah, circuit boards. But with this, you don't have to worry too much because even if you got rust on the sides, it's the top where you're going to get conductivity. But there's a lot of guys use 90% alcohol to clean it.
Yeah.
Don't ever use steel wool. You'll ruin your engines.
Right.
It'll go up in the magnet traction and so forth for the other engines.
Oh yeah.
But there's a YouTube video that talks about gleaning track.
Uh-huh.
Once you do that, it seals. You can never have no micro scratching, nothing. I think it's a 2 or 3 step process. But
Really?
if you look up gleaning under model railroading, there's a nice video guy did on it.
Gleaning with a G?
Yeah, GLEANING.
Okay. I will look that up.
Yeah.
Awesome. And if any of you guys are interested, Stargate's track. There's only 1%. This is Bob Schmidt. That's your cell phone.
Lots of accessories,
Lots of accessories.
legacy engines, you name it, I have it.
There you go. You guys heard that, right? All right. Bob Schmidt, give him a call. He's looking to sell it all. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Atlas. Ran after my own heart. Burlington Northern. Some nice bulk hoppers on there. Upside down. Louisville, Nashville. MTH in the purple box. It's a nice Lionel. Funny, I just got a version of one of these from MTH.
Oh,
The
yeah.
Canadian National, nice. Beautiful tankers. Oh no, this is cool. You guys can see that. Gondola loaded with wheels. Wisconsin Central. Got a wheel load. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. You always find something here. You can always find something. Lovely. Delaware Hudson. Delaware Hudson. He's a rail fan, watches the channel. Hopefully he'll see it.
Do you just look at it on your free time or something, or?
No, I run a little YouTube channel. I do O-scale trains. And a big love of mine is MTH and Atlas. You know, I run some Lionel when I can afford it.
Okay.
And that's a nice collection of stuff you got here. It's called Mr. Steve's Trains.
Mr. Steve's trains, okay.
So yep,
That
I'm gonna edit all this footage, wonderful stuff I'm taking here and meeting dealers. I like that. That's really pretty. I like that British Columbia Railway. Now, do you guys sell strictly at train shows, or are you online at all?
Every once in a while, we might put something on eBay and sell it, but mainly at trade shows.
Okay. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, different scales, I see.
Well, I have 10 train layouts.
So you have 10 train layout?
Operating, yeah, they're working.
Are you part of the club here?
I'm my own club.
Your own club? I love it. What's the name of your club?
Thompson Treasures.
Thompson's Treasures.
I run the train museum and the Fowlerville Fairgrounds, which is the Pierre Marquette station from Powell.
Okay.
2 of my layouts are in there.
Nice.
Although it's in the fairgrounds, so the fairgrounds is closed most of the time, but in the summer, especially during the fair, it's big. I usually have about 120 to 30 people a day come through. I operate and give tours from about 1 to 6 or 7
Do you,
all afternoon.
so if the building's closed most of the time, is it climate controlled? You have problems?
Yes, it's dry.
Okay.
You know, it's a high, very high ceiling, fairly large wood railroad station,
Nice.
and it's been dry as a bone, thank God.
Nice. That's cool. Nice, guys. Nice. Very nice. Ooh, that's cool. That's a cool hopper. Correxo. Beautiful.
Stay on 14 and you go right 2 miles from East Ellis. We're gonna have another one
Where they had the big derailment.
We have a meeting.
We got a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
I just
Love your car.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who's right around the corner?
got to have passengers in the passenger car. That's fantastic.
That's Milwaukee Road with the Union Pacific Trail.
I know, it's kind of different.
You mind being on video?
No, go right ahead.
This is,
Tom from True Love Trains. Yeah.
there we go, Tom for True Love Trains. It's part of
Thank
Tom's
you for
collection.
having me. Yeah.
You all right?
Oh yeah, I'm great. We concluded a negotiation that we started how many shows back? About 2 or 3 shows
A couple
back.
shows back.
Yeah.
So he's a great customer.
This is also Morgan Freeman's stunt double.
Well, Morgan, if you're out there, let's see if there's some sort of connection where I can connect to your bank account because I can use it right now. Because I love trains.
He just bought some. Yeah, he just bought
Amen.
two. He just bought two.
It's a healthy addiction.
Well, the thing is, it's never going to.
Trains, 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 and more trains. Oh, fast track. Look at that, fast track.
Okay.
And there we go, friends. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a good time. Met a lot of new people, new deals and such. Great friends. You always make friends at train shows. It was a good show. Despite the rain we had. You see it's pretty cloudy out, still raining a little bit. But that does it for me today. I didn't pick up nothing new. I got a lot of pre-orders coming in. always room to buy more stuff. All right, until next time, I'm Mr. Steve, and I'm telling you, happy rails.